Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I recently purchased a Chromebook. I have never owned a Chromebook before, so this is actually my first. I got it for around 180 bucks, but enough of that. Let's just jump right into the unboxing. Okay, for unknown reason, I got two power cables and a power adapter with no user manuals. That's so strange. This Chromebook is an HP G5EE, which stands for Education Edition. It's plastic built, which is not bad for the price. We have the HP branding and the Chrome logo. Let's get the internal specifications out of the way first. So it packs 4GB of RAM with 16GB of eMMC. You cannot upgrade any since they're all soldered on the motherboard. It also packs an Intel Celeron N3060 dual-core processor, which is clocked at 1.6 GHz. These specifications should be enough to run Chrome OS with no hiccups. On one side, we have a power port, HDMI port, a USB Type-A port, an SD card port, and a headphone/microphone jack combo. The other side we have a USB Type-A port with a lock port. The Chromebook itself is lightweight and it has an 11.6-inch touchscreen with a resolution of 1366 by 768. The screen is not really the best, I would say, but it's usable. There is a 720p camera, which is average. We have a full QWERTY keyboard with a trackpad, which is intact. Not that amazing though. Since it's a Chromebook, everything is done through the Chrome web browser. This could be a disadvantage to some, but the good thing is that you can install apps from the Play Store. The amazing thing that I have experienced is the great battery life. I can easily manage to get up to 11 hours of battery life. But the real question is it worth buying? If you're planning to use it mainly on web browsing and very light tasks, then it will suit you. If you want to do gaming or video editing, then this is not for you. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.